Hello, my ocean friends! I'm Ballerina Cappuccino. Today, we'll dive into the sea and learn about sea animals. Wow! Look at these bubbles! Let's swim deeper to find some sea animals. Oh, a dolphin! The dolphin swims fast. Can you say dolphin? Great! Dolphin! Look, a shark. Wow, it's big. Don't worry, it's a friendly shark. Can you say shark?
Good job, shark.
Oh, look, an octopus. Let's count the arms. 1, 2, 3, 8 arms. Can you say, look, a turtle. It moves so slowly and smoothly. Can you say turtle? Good job, turtle. Look at the colorful fish. So many colors. Can you say fish? Yes, fish. Wow, a whale. It's so big. Listen, the whale sings. Can you? Wow, a jellyfish. It looks like it's dancing underwater. Can you say jellyfish? Good job. Orange clownfish smiles. It's so cute. Can you say clownfish? Yes, clownfish. Look, a starfish. It has 5 arms like a star. Can you say starfish? Perfect. Ringed seal claps flippers. Can you clap too? Yay! Seal! Stingray glides. It moves so smooth. Can you say stingray? Great job, stingray. Oh, a seahorse. So tiny and pretty. Can you say seahorse? Yes, seahorse. Penguin swims and slides. Whee! Can you say penguin? Good job, penguin. Orca splashes high. Wow. Can you say orca? Yes, orca. A crab. It walks sideways like this. Can you say crab? Yes, crab. Let's remember, seal, stingray, clownfish, penguin, and orca. Great job. See you next dive. Bye-bye, friends. Hi, kids. Welcome to the farm. This is a cow. Moo. This is a pig. Oink. This is a horse. Neigh. This is a sheep. Bah. This is a chicken. Cluck, cluck. This is a rooster. Cock-a-doodle-doo. This is a duck. Quack. This is a goat. Maa. This is a dog. Woof. This is a cat. Meow. Meow. Great job. See you on the farm. Hello, friends. Welcome to Kids Mem School. Today, we will travel through animal worlds and meet many animals. Let's go to the savannah. What animal is this? Yes, lion. What animal is this? Yes, elephant. Roar like a lion with me. Roar! Me! Elephant lifts its trunk. Woo!
What animal is this? Yes, giraffe.
Giraffe eats leaves high up.
Which animal roared? Which animal trumpeted? Lion roared. Elephant trumpeted.
Great job! Now let's visit the next animal world. Welcome to the jungle! What animal is this?
Yes, monkey.
Monkey swings in the jungle.
What animal is this?
Yes, parrot. Parrot flies and says squawk. What animal is this?
Yes.
Tiger. Tiger roars in the jungle. Which animal swings? Which flies? Which roars? Monkey swings, parrot flies, tiger roars. Great job! Now let's go to the next world. Here we come, next animal world awaits.
What animal is this? Yes, cow.
Cow says moo.
What animal is this? Yes, sheep.
Sheep says baa.
What animal is this?
Yes, horse. Horse says neigh.
Which says moo? Which says baa? Which says neigh?
Cow says moo, sheep says baa, horse says neigh. Great job! Let's see more animals. Here we go, Ray, to the zoo world.
Welcome to the zoo! What animal is this? Yes, elephant.
Elephant says pow-woo.
What animal is this? Yes, giraffe.
Giraffe eats leaves high up.
What animal is this? Yes, lion.
Lion says roar. Which says pow-woo? Which eats leaves? Which says roar? Elephant pow-woo, giraffe eats, lion roars. Goodbye, zoo animals! Let's finish our adventure. Wow, so many animals today! Thank you for learning animals with me. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Kids Mem School. Bye-bye!